Hello guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with my Mistborn project, and I just been working on some AI and lock-on controls. If you watch my tutorial video, then you know what I was working on. And basically, you can just walk up to the enemy now, lock onto him, and walk up to him and fight him next way. Also, the dodges is different now. Set up individual dodges based on which direction you're going. And I've also added the coin shot ability to shoot coins. Oh, and I've changed the animation so now the character reacts differently based on where you hit him. You can see he actually moves to the other side, and if I go to this side, he actually moves that way. And if you hit him from behind, he actually backs up. And it's a small touch, but it adds a little more flavor to it. And I've changed how the character chases you. If he gets far away, he runs after you. But if he gets close up, now he goes into a little fight mode thing. And it just adds a little more flavor to the game and allows you to take on multiple enemies better. And I've just been messing with the AI, trying to get it to work a little better. Couldn't quite get the lock-on controls. You might notice the big red targeting thing. I'm going to take that out later on. That's usually just what I use for targeting, just to let you know you're locked onto that particular enemy. Within the lock-on state. And that's basically it. It just gives the game a lot more flavor. Also, you can lock on enemies within a certain direction. So you just lock on the closest one that's in that you're facing. Which again, if you see my tutorial series, you know what I was working on. And really, the only reason I created that was stuck there. The lock on ability was just because it was really hard to aim the coin shot. I'm actually gonna make it like a bit of an auto aim. But while I was working on it, I decided to work on the AI. I'm gonna give him a few more attacks and make him a bit more dynamic. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.